Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I would request our Chief Academic and Business Head, sir, respected Dheeraj Mishra, sir, to say a few words.
Our mega ISCST launch session. My special thanks to all for taking out time and meeting with us and sharing this event and the platform with us. So I am very happy that today for all our students in the Visakhapatnam city, we are announcing our mega ISCST examination, which will be conducted across our all three branches in Visakhapatnam, in Dwarka Nagar, Madhurwada and the Gajuwaka. So the IACST examination, what we called as admission cum scholarship test, this ACST examination gives opportunity to the students to assess Visakhapatnam. This year becomes very important for us that as we are celebrating our 10th year of Akash in Visakhapatnam. So since 2013 onwards, Akash has been delivering best results in the NEET and JEE. Not only NEET and JEE, even in the AP EPSET examination also. Every year, our various students qualify with flying colors. Almost in all medical colleges in Andhra Pradesh, I can say proudly that our Akashians are there now. The success rate of Akash has been exceptional in Andhra Pradesh in comparison to any of the coaching institute which is there. In Akash, we are committed for the bright future of students through our research-driven study material, best of the teachers, self-study hours, and exposure to the all India level examinations to the students in our courses. So my request to all the students in Visakhapatnam is come and appear in our mega IACST examination, which we are conducting in all the three branches in Visakhapatnam, Dwarka Nagar, Madhurwada, and Gajuwaka branches of Akash. And let's give wings to your dream career of becoming doctor and engineer with Akash. Thank you so much.
When this is conducting?
It is on Sunday, 26th of the May. In the daytime it will be conducted. So students and parents both can walk in to our branches on 26th May, Sunday.
Only offline.
Offline. The examination mode is in offline mode. So they will come here, they can appear in the offline examination. Immediately assessment will be done, followed with the academic counseling of the students and of the parents.
They can come directly to the.
They can come
venue
directly
or-
to the branch. There is no pre-registration required. Our registration team will be sitting at the branches itself. The moment they are coming to the branches, immediately registration window will be opened for them.